Hello, North Texas! We have a special day coming up pretty soon. On Thursday, September 22nd, it is North Texas Giving Day. Gifts that are coming in on North Texas Giving Day, those are funds that are given to our school, the educators in our classroom. They get to use that money to help create project-based learning in our classrooms. It is awesome. So this year, we are working towards being innovative and creating STEM labs, not only at our elementary level, but also at our middle school level and at our high school level. It is a goal that we know we can accomplish, but we need you. So our kids get to experience an opportunity to work with 3D printers. They also get to do robotics. And you know what they get to do with all that? Problem solve, allowing our kids to use the equipment to problem solve real world activities. Who wouldn't want their kids to be involved in that? So we are taking our students beyond the classroom to allow them the opportunity to have real world experiences touching the equipment. And this gives them a marketable skill that they're able to use in the real world beyond what they're doing right now. Can you imagine that? Allowing them to have that opportunity right in front of them every day in our STEM labs? So check out our link and make sure you do this so that way you can help us make an impact on our students today and tomorrow.